September is National Suicide Prevention Awareness Month, and health experts in San Luis Obispo County are doing their part to educate the community. KSBY News reporter Alice Becerra joins us live in San Luis Obispo with how they are raising awareness through local partnerships. Alice?
Megan, free suicide prevention, coffee sleeves, and informational booths are just a few ways the county is showing their support for the prevention program this month.
The Suicide Prevention Program has organized several events across the county to help educate the community and offer support in honor of National Suicide Prevention Awareness Month. The program is funded by the Mental Health Services Act and is teaming up with places like Tribe Coffee House in Arroyo Grande. Tribe Coffee will be participating by handing out suicide prevention coffee sleeves all next week.
We care about the community, and if anyone's, in trouble, we want to support people anyway.
The sleeves will have hotline phone numbers and websites in both English and Spanish for those who are struggling with suicidal thoughts.
So our rate last year was higher than Los Angeles County's rate, than San Francisco County's rate. So we look at a rate per 100,000 people. So that's about 17.1 per 100,000 people die by suicide in our county.
According to Henry, some of the issues with getting the proper help in the county have to do with the kind of health insurance a patient has. Those with private insurance often have to leave the county for psychiatric services. Another issue being the kind of reimbursement a mental health professional receives if they were to offer their service locally. Health professionals in San Luis Obispo would be paid a rural reimbursement versus an urban reimbursement like Los Angeles or San Diego, which would essentially result in a smaller payout. Henry says she is hopeful that with the increased training, data sharing, and awareness, the community will be better educated and equipped to detect early signs from those who are struggling.
Hopefully, people can get back connected again and remember to talk to your neighbor and check in on one another, and remember that we're all human and we all go through something in our lives, and sometimes we just need some more support.
All of the events this month are leading up to the county's annual Suicide Prevention Forum that will take place on October 2nd at Paso Park Cinemas. Live in San Luis Obispo, Alice Becerra, KSBY News.
Alice, thank you. And if you or someone you know is struggling with suicide, please call the National Suicide Prevention Lifeline toll-free number at 1-800-273-8255.